Hello everyone. Imagine you're a tree in the midst of a storm. The winds howl and the rain lashes down, but you remain standing tall, your roots firmly anchored in the ground. What if you could develop this same level of resilience in your own life, weathering any storm that comes your way? By the end of this lecture, you'll understand what resilience is and why it's necessary, the key elements that contribute to resilience, practical strategies to cultivate and enhance your resilience. Let's discuss what resilience is and why it's so significant. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity and flourish even in the face of challenges. It's about transforming difficulties into opportunities for growth and learning. Example, think of an athlete who faces a career-threatening injury. Instead of giving up, they use the experience to become stronger, mentally and physically, and often return to their sport with even greater determination. Let's discuss the key elements that contribute to resilience. Emotional awareness and regulation. Being aware of your emotions and managing them effectively is key to resilience. It helps you respond to stress and adversity with a clear, calm mind. Example, a healthcare worker facing a high-stress environment uses techniques like deep breathing and mindfulness to stay centered and perform their duties effectively. Strong support network. A robust support network provides emotional, practical, and sometimes even financial assistance during tough times. This network includes family, friends, mentors, and colleagues. Analogy, think of your support network as a safety net that catches you when you fall, allowing you to get back up and try again without fear of hitting the ground too hard. Flexibility and adaptability. Being flexible and adaptable means being open to change and able to adjust your strategies as circumstances evolve. This trait helps you navigate new challenges more effectively. Real-world story. Businesses that pivoted their operations during the COVID-19 pandemic demonstrated resilience by adapting to changing conditions and finding new ways to serve their customers. Self-belief and confidence. Believing in your own abilities and maintaining confidence in the face of challenges is a critical aspect of resilience. It empowers you to take risks and persevere. Example, an entrepreneur launching a startup believes in their vision and persists despite initial setbacks, eventually building a successful business. Closing thoughts. Building resilience involves cultivating optimism, emotional regulation, strong relationships, flexibility, and self-belief. With the tips mentioned in the lecture, you can strengthen your resilience and help you thrive in the face of adversity. Resilience is a skill that grows with practice and persistence. Assignment. This week, embark on a resilience quest. Identify a current challenge you're facing and choose 2 strategies from our discussion to tackle it. Maybe practice mindfulness by taking a few minutes each day to meditate, or boost your problem-solving skills with a fun puzzle or brain teaser. Reflect on how these strategies impact your approach and outcomes. To add some fun, create a resilience journal where you track your progress and any surprising insights you gain along the way. Share your journey with a friend and compare your resilience-building adventures. Recommended resources. For further reading, I recommend Option B, Facing Adversity, Building Resilience, and Finding Joy by Sheryl Sandberg and Adam Grant. This book offers insights and practical advice on building resilience in the face of challenges.